Okay guys, Green Cadillac Matt here. I've got my starter hooked up, finally figured out the wiring, but this is all I'm getting from it when I try to turn the key over. I've got a battery in it of questionable reliability, and I've got my jump box hooked to said battery. Here's what I'm getting. It sounds like occasional party favors, and that's about it. If anybody has any idea what's going on, please let me know. Hopefully my engine isn't seized. I know it sat a while. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.